Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. In this video, we will discuss about traits in Rust. Trait is a collection of methods defined for unknown structs. These methods can be shared across other types. Let's create a trait and implement it using a struct. Here, I have created a trait called grid. We define a trait by using this trait keyword followed by the name of the trait, and inside this curly braces we write our methods. Here we have defined this method greet message, and in the parameter you can see we have reference to the self. This self refers to the whatever struct it will link to. Below this trait, we have defined this struct person with the only field name, which will be accepting an string as an argument. Moving on to this main function, we have created an instance of this person struct with the name as Diana. Now, let's implement this trait grid for this struct person. For this, we write this is the syntax for implementing a trait for a struct. We start with this impl keyword, that is the implement keyword, and followed by the name of the trait, and thereafter this for keyword and the name of the struct, and finally this pair of curly braces. Inside of these curly braces we can add other quotes as well, but for now we'll make this empty. Now this trait grid is implemented for this person struct. That means now this grid message method is accessible by this struct person. To verify this, let's call this grid message method from this instance of for1. Let's run the code. Here you can see we have got this hello everyone. Now this is how a trait works in Rust. Once we declare a trait, this trait now can be used by the multiple structs, and we can modify these methods according to the preferences of the struct as well, and that will be discussed in the next videos. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.